How to use TikTok Lite like a pro. If you want to use TikTok Lite like a pro, there are various ways that you can do this. So first of all, if you use the TikTok Lite for any sort of reason and not the main TikTok app, there are still some of the features that you can use like auto scroll or clean view mode and other editing tools as well. So first is if you long press on a certain video, you can see this option called clean view. So clean view means it is going to just disrupt or remove anything that is within that video so you can watch this video more clearly. You can see this option called clean view to be able to watch that video without any distraction. Now the second feature is auto scroll. So if you're watching a certain video and you don't want to scroll yourself automatically like this, so you want to go ahead and then you just want it to auto scroll. So for that also long press on the video, tap on this arrow icon that says auto scroll if you want to be able to auto scroll to that video. And when this video has ended, what happens is it's going to play the next video automatically without you having to do anything. You can also turn off auto scroll in that case. Similarly, there will be other features like you can just repost it, or you can copy the link, you can add to your favorites, you can also save the video and all of the other different features as such. Not only that, you can even post and edit your videos even within the TikTok Lite application. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.